was on there, but I forgot to pick it. It was.
What? Yeah, I'm just taking a video at this one.
I need to try out my gimbal later.
I think that's the same car we saw at Cars and Coffee. Yeah.
It is the same car because we're in the same area.
Well, you never know.
I want to go ask them where they're running and if I can take a draw. Yeah, that might be. I need to get it.
There's a lot of people here today. I feel like there's a lot more people here than in Cars and Coffee. I go.
Park your car where you can kick the shit out of them. Come on.
So today we just basically ran into Cars and Coffee straight up, or Cars and Cantina. All right, Cantina. You gotta make sure everyone notices that. And well, with all this, we're seeing different cars, and I don't know why this car doesn't. I mean, I don't see why this camera doesn't stay in focus all the time. Okay, maybe the settings were just off because I had this in manual, since I take pictures in manual, and then I had to switch it over to automatic for taking better videos. Like 125,000, yeah. But I still want one.
Before TT now, after TT now, you're at like 140,000.
That's 125 out the door if you don't finance.
Is it? I thought it was 120 starting.
No, the dealership sells them at 125.
Okay.
Could be more if you get like a random package.
Supra. Shit. 1, 2, Nissan.
Oh my god!
Okay, I gotta take a picture of this one though. It's fixed. I don't know if it's recording audio or not. No, I'm like switching in between taking pictures
it's
and
a Corvette. Wow, that's a nice Corvette. C8 in the house.
So that means he badged it with the Ferrari badge on it?
The M5 would be cool if a female didn't drive it.
What? What?
So bro, look at that trip.
I know. Oh, yeah. Is that another 5 Series?
Yes, it is. It's not a 5 Series. It's a 1 Series.
No, I think, is it a 5 Series or a 7? No.
It's a 5 Series.
It's a slightly bigger.
Yeah, we've got a lot of that.
I don't know.
It's a 127.
Okay, that's another M5 though, that's for sure.
That's not, that's a 4.
You sure? Okay, so you saw that M5? I want to wrap my car in that color. Is it messed up that I didn't plug their product?
Isaac, la verdad ya se fueron para allá.
Feel about the wrap on the GTO. I mean, that car is awesome.
I don't know. It's alright. The coloring is just...
That's what...
Is it supposed to be $1 million?
Yeah.
Ah, interesting.
I don't know how I feel about it. I like the color of the wrap.
It doesn't tickle your fancy?
It stands out.
I like the 01 better.
Oh yeah.
It's yellow, right?
You know what the cool thing is? I can finally post a picture on my story about it. I haven't posted anything on my story with this.
Oh my god.
Oh, dude, I saw a different T-Rex.
Blame.
I saw a different T-Rex.
T-Rex?
Yeah.
It's blah M. Me.
Huh?
Blah me. That fucking TTSV is great. I love that. Oh, that engine.
it's all schools, huh?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
What? Mans has a picture of Ariana Grande. He needs recognition for this. Ariana, please come out and show your love.
But he added the shift paddles on. No, I think.
I don't know. I feel like that's a lot of money putting into a C250 to make it an AMG.
That's what we were originally thinking. We were right next to it. I didn't know. It's a basic with badges.
As I take a picture, he turns it on, huh? What? As I took a picture, he turned it on. So right after Cars and Cantina, apparently,
But the one with car
we came to eat at Uni Cocina. And are we still doing rollers after this, or?
We already took some rollers in your car.
No, I thought you were gonna do a video.
Oh yeah, I was gonna try that. I've never done it before. Is that a soap, bro?
But normally a dog exists. Normally, if you find one with a dog,
I gotta like manually zoom everything. Because for some reason, it takes forever to load everything up.
That's what mine does, really close.
But we're gonna go take videos of my car and whatnot because he needs to practice with his gimbal. And hopefully everything was good. Definitely your diff is leaking.
Oh my god.
That is your diff.
Oh shit.
Your diff is leaking. Hey, bring the jack stands. We'll drop a sub for him right now. Wait, hold on.
Camaros are fucked up. His Camaro's fucked up in his driveway, leaking transmission fluid. His has a leaking tip. And me and you aren't leaking shit.
No. Hey. You're still leaking from your oil filter housing.
Yeah, but it's not noticeably leaking onto the ground.
Well, it's obviously been leaking for a while because I was like, that looks like a bunch of oil all over the back of your bumper.
Yeah,
It
man.
actually is.
Yeah.
You don't want it to run out because if you do, you fuck something up real bad.
You're gonna overheat your diff and then.
Just weld it shut and start drifting.
Oh, record?
Record?
Yeah.
On YouTube? I'm gonna show the camera my ass.
This guy's black.
No.
This is my car. I'm obviously a student driver. Hey. Taking pictures in the parking garage at Nebraska Furniture Mart. Hopefully security doesn't come kick us out. Look at that man in that car. That's one beautiful man right there. How the fuck do you focus this thing? Can I tap the screen? It's not touchscreen. Adrian! All right, let's go see what's in the parking garage. We've got a V6 Camaro, an old Chrysler over there. Doesn't focus, you can't see it, and a wide body Scat Pack. It's real nice. Imagine fucking taking pictures of a BMW. Couldn't be me.
I have one request. Try not to cuss as much because
How do you, if I zoom in?
okay, so there's another ring. So that ring.
No, I know how to zoom in. How do you focus once you zoom in?
That ring in front of it. That's a focusing ring.
Oh.
Yeah, it takes a bit. I left it on auto, but it doesn't seem to really focus.
No, not when you zoom in, it doesn't.
Yeah. He's gonna do. So Cameron's gonna end up doing a couple of footages, or he's gonna take video of my 135i, and I think some of his 328i.
I have a stair step to get up on my roof. It's right here.
Today's vlog is just all random stuff. I kind of want to do new stickers because I want to do a bigger turn 8. I want to do all the way to here, and then a different Purell sticker because this is the one that they provided to me, which you can focus. So they provided this to me, but you guys can see right here, it's actually just coming off already. So most of these might come off. Okay, so my microphone just died, or something went off with it, so let's try this again. Yeah? Yeah. The gimbal's kind of hard to use.
Yeah.
And then my microphone, for some reason, just stopped working. But...
It's very entertaining.
Huh?
It pops very well.
And you keep pressing the gas pedal to make it pop even more.
That's the angle we need. Especially for a $1,000 drone, you can
Alright, well, I think I'm just going to end the vlog here because at this point we got security showing up, and really this drone is like, I mean, the gimbal is having such a hard time calculating everything, so I'll see you guys in the next one, alright? See you guys. Bye.
Here we go.